Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Canva presentations more interactive, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to use hyperlinks in Canva, step by step, so you can connect your slides to websites, documents, or even other pages within your presentation. It's simple, powerful, and can make your presentations look way more professional. Let's get started. First, open your Canva presentation and head to the slide where you want to add your link. Select the text or element you'd like to hyperlink. This could be a word, a phrase, or even a button. Just click and drag your mouse to highlight it. Once it's selected, look up at the toolbar at the top of your Canva workspace. You'll see 3 little dots. Click those to reveal more options. From there, choose the one labeled link, which usually has a small chain icon next to it. When you click that, a box will pop up where you can paste your URL or type the destination you want the link to lead to. This could be anything: a YouTube video, a Google Doc, or even another slide in your presentation. Canva also lets you search for internal pages right inside the platform, which is super convenient. After pasting your link, hit Done. You'll notice your selected text or element now has an underline or a subtle color change, showing that your hyperlink is active. Now, when you present or export your slides as a PDF, your audience can click directly on those links to access extra resources or references instantly. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink in Canva. Hyperlinks might seem small, but they can completely transform the way your audience interacts with your presentation. They add flow, depth, and make your work feel more dynamic and connected. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva and design tips, and share this video with anyone who wants to level up their presentation game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.